stop playing with him.
Jadavinci and his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Davinci, and I'm here with this video because my mom actually asked me to make it for her. She wanted to find out how I removed my wigs with the Got2b glue. I typically use these two products to lay my frontals. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I remove it. It's super easy. Literally, you just need a washcloth and some water. Okay, literally, that's it. I'm about to go wet my washcloth and I'll be right back. All right, so I get I get the washcloth pretty damp and I actually use warm water. So I'm gonna zoom in, show you what I do, cause it's literally super easy. I'm literally like squeezing water onto the hairline and I'm just like squeezing a bit of water on there. My washcloth isn't completely submerged in water, but it's wet enough and it's hot water. And I just take it and rub it onto the hairline. And this method, less messy, really easy to control, you know? You're not gonna get all wet. You could easily use a spray bottle, but I feel like this method is just so much easier. And it just comes right off. And I don't ever, literally, I don't have any problems with my edges. That's why I like to use Got2b glue. Got2b glue lasts on my face for about a week and a half. It could last up to 2 weeks, but yeah, I normally change my hair. So if after you've pressed that water into your scalp and then kind of massaged it in, you just wipe backwards. And I do have on a cap as well. Still got the cap on, so what I could easily do, and no, this is not ruining your hair, no, none of that. So Got2b glue, if you're like a newbie, you love your edges, you know, you have full-blown edges, but you just wanna wear a wig, Got2b glue is probably gonna be the best product for you. Here, I'm gonna show you guys the fact that I don't have like residue on my wig. So typically you would have a lot of that white residue from the yellow Got2b glue, so I use the black Got2b glue. This is what my wig looks like when I take it off my face. And I gotta go re-dampen this. I gotta go add some more water. So the cap is like the same ordeal. I got my wet washcloth. I'm going to start at the root, you know, and I'm kind of like pressing that water into my face. And then once this is like, the water is really massaged. See, look, you guys are gonna see. Oh, there's a lot of water. You could just start taking the cap and brushing back with the water. And then this should come right off. And that's really it. So I'm about to go wash my hair and prepare myself for a new hairdo. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know how you guys remove your wigs. Bye.